Unit 18. Word list. Ability. Ability is the quality of a person being able to do something well.
His swimming abilities let him cross the entire lake.
Agriculture. Agriculture is the growing of food and animals.
The farmers studied agriculture in college.
Cartoon. A cartoon is a funny drawing.
Sometimes people draw cartoons for the newspaper.
Ceiling. The ceiling is the top of a room.
He painted the ceiling with a special roller.
Convince. To convince someone means to make them sure of something.
She convinced me to buy the house.
Curious. When you are curious about something, you want to know more about it.
I opened up the clock because I was curious about how it worked.
Delay. To delay means to wait to do something.
I was delayed at the airport for over 2 hours.
Diary. A diary is a book in which people write their personal experiences.
I do not let anybody read my diary.
Element. An element of something is a particular part of it.
Tackling an opponent is Johnny's favorite element of American football.
Faith. When people have faith in something, they believe in it and trust it.
The sick girl had faith in doctors. She knew they would make her better.
Grain. Grain is food crops such as wheat, corn, rice, or oats.
The farmer planted 2 fields of grain this year.
Greet. To greet someone means to meet and welcome them.
When my friend came over, I greeted him at the door.
Investigate. To investigate means to search for something or learn about it.
The detective went to investigate the crime.
Joy. Joy is a feeling you get when you are really happy.
I love baseball. I feel joy when I play.
Label. A label is a tag that tells about something.
The label on the back of your shirt will tell you what size it is.
Monk. A monk is a religious person who lives a simple life.
The monks knew a lot about religion.
Odd. When something is odd, it is unusual.
Her cat is odd. It walks on 2 feet.
Pause. To pause means to stop doing something for a while.
Since she was so hungry, she paused to make a snack.
Priest. A priest is a person trained to perform religious duties.
The priest taught us about God.
Profession. A profession is a person's job.
He loved sailing, so he chose to work on ships as a profession.